Okay, hello class. My name is Carlos Nicho, and I am assigned to have the lesson 11, chapter 10, exercise 13. This is the exercise. It's a bond, 15-year bond. The face value is $440,000 at 7%, and the interest is going to be payable every January 1st. So as we see the dates here and the term, so we're going to have 32 payments. 15 plus 17, that's the year 2032, until it is mature. Okay, part 1. And trust my numbers because I already did the homework and are correct. So the journal entry for just to record the issuing of the bond will be the original date, January 1st, 2017. Yeah, numbers are too little, sorry. Okay, the account will be, we are the company, we are the real company, so we are paying 30. We are receiving, because the bond is a liability, so we are receiving the cash, and it's 440,000, and then we were going to credit bonds payable. Okay, that's the first part. It is similar to a loan. We are receiving an increase in 440,000 in our debit cash. The second part is it asks us to record the accrual of interest after 12 months, and it's in the same year, December 1st, so it's 1 year. I have this little one here to calculate. The calculation of the interest for a bond is similar, or the same procedure to calculate the interest for the note receivable. So in this case, the face value is 440,000. The rate is 7%. We put it on decimals. The frequency of payment is only 1 a year, and the time is 12 months over 12 months, which is 1. And so if this one is the amount of that's going to be here in the debit, 3,800, and also in the credit. And in this case, it's only 2 accounts that are going to be affected. And the date is happening on December 31st. Note that it's just 1 day before the time to pay for the interest. And the accounts, let's see. Okay, the accounts will be interest payable on this. On the debit side, and no, wrong. Interest expense on the debit side. And in interest payable. on the credit side. Okay. Then only that. Part C. Now is the time for the actual payment. It's January 1st of exactly 1 year. Let's put just this way, if I can get, okay. And now, as it is actually happening, so we have cash is involved here. Cash is coming out, and we're paying how much? The same amount that we just calculated before. And we're reducing the interest payable. Okay, which is the amount 30,800. Finally, it has been the 15 years. The bond has become mature. So now the date is January 1st, 2032. And the accounts involved are the reverse of the ones that we how we started. Let me go up, and it was cash on it, debiting cash and crediting bonds payable. Now it's going to be completely the reverse. We're going to debit bonds payable for the amount that we promised it was going to be, and we're going to pay credit cash. And the numbers are correct. I already verified them, and I hope this one helps you as you continue studying the topic of bonds. Thank you.